In this video on using Project Enigma, I'll be showing you the many options for creating accounts, importing accounts, assigning them to profiles, and how to use the activity generation feature. In order to increase your chances of winning a product, you want to submit and enter as many entries as you can. In Project Enigma, these entries are created with tasks. For Nike sneakers, you will need an account with Nike for each task. Check out account providers in the providers channel of Project Enigma for special deals on store accounts. To start configuring accounts, click Accounts in the menu on the left in Project Enigma. If you have accounts in another bot, you can import them into Project Enigma by clicking Import in the top menu. Project Enigma supports importing accounts from several bots, and plans to add more in the future. If you don't have your accounts in a supported format, you can enter them manually or lay them out in a CSV and import them. To create an account, click Create Account. Enter the email and password for the account, separated by a colon. You can add multiple accounts at the same time by hitting Enter to add them on a new line. Click Save when you're done. To import via a CSV, create a text file and set the first line as the username, comma, password. Then hit Enter to start a new line. Then enter the username, comma, password for each account, separating them by a new line. Then save this file as a .csv. To import the CSV, click the Import button. Then click the Select File button, then click the CSV file that you've just created, and click Open. Select the bot type as CSV, then click Import. Note that whenever you import accounts into Project Enigma, it does not overwrite any of your old accounts, and instead will add them to the list of accounts you already have. If you duplicate accounts, you can simply select the duplicates and click Delete. You can click the checkbox for any account, then hold Shift, and click another account checkbox to select multiple accounts. I'm going to click the privacy mode to hide the sensitive account data from this point out. You can use this privacy feature to easily hide sensitive data if you would like to screenshot something in Project Enigma, such as post a question in the support sections of the Discord. Once an account is added, you need to assign it to a proxy and to a profile. To manually do this, click on the account, then select your proxy list, then the specific proxy you'd like to use, or select Randomize. Then select the profile you'd like to assign this account to, and click Save. You can allow Project Enigma to do this for you automatically by clicking the Show Advanced button to show the bulk assign tools. To bulk assign only a subset of accounts, select only the accounts you'd like to assign a proxy or profile to. You can use the Assign All buttons to assign all accounts that don't have a proxy or profile already assigned to them. Finally, let's talk about user sessions and activity generation. A green person icon means the account has logged in and created a user session on that system. This is similar to the process where if you were to log into Nike.com once, it remembers your account information, speeding up the login process. It's recommended that once you've added an account, you should start a session to log that user in. That session will stay logged in for about a month. Activity generation is a premium feature where Project Enigma logs into the user session and simulates user activity. It does this by browsing the store site and favoriting some products for 2 to 8 minutes. Activity generation is intended to make accounts seem more human to store's anti-bot tools, and can be one of many ways to increase chances of an account winning an entry. Activity generation can be run at any time, as many times a day as you like. However, running it more often does not necessarily improve win percentage, as running it too often could make the account more likely to be seen as a bot. The suggested interval for running activity generation is as little as a few times a week, up to 3 times a day. Activity generation is a paid upgrade to your Project Enigma license. Finally, if you believe an account has been clipped, you can clear the user session for the account inside of Project Enigma. To do so, select the account, click Show Advanced, and then click Clear Selected. Once the session has been cleared, you can attempt to log in and create a new session. If you receive an error, your account has likely been clipped. Thanks for using Project Enigma. Good luck!